Make sure you stay tuned. What is going on, everyone? Freezing cold this morning, absolutely freezing, but today's the day it all starts happening. Today is the day things start finally happening. As you can see over there in the distance, oh no, you can see. Nah, you can't see. Huh? They've got enough. All right, but the JCB has just turned up. The foundations are starting today. It's going to be a good day. I've been waiting for this what feels like months, but really it's been about a week. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm excited. Please bear with me with the new videos as well. It's a new thing for us, this YouTube. Gotta get used to it. It's not the same as Snapchat, it's a bit different. So if it's a bit weird, just skip past it. But I'm sure during the rest of the video there'll be some content that you all want to see. So make sure you do stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Yeah, man, I'll see you out through the day. I think you wanted to get out before you got up there. Finally, it's here. What's that?
He's going to the yard and he'll get me phone out the forklift.
Get your phone out the forklift.
I left it in the forklift.
All right, I'll go and tell him now. Ooh, the digger's here. Man's excited. Today is the day. Today's the day, dogs, when it all starts happening. Yeah? He said, are you going to his yard? Because he's left this, he said he's left his phone in his forklift. Can you get it? Yeah. I think that was just his phone.
Well, Mark will go with dogs.
Alright.
I didn't want to stop from up here. When he said stop, I didn't want to stop. I was going to keep going.
Yeah, yeah.
I left my phone in the forklift if you go to the yard. I'll just go in now.
It's a big old digger. Finally. So today's plan, let me just go through it with you. I don't know if you can see it just there, but there's them posts. So there'll be a concrete foundation just there for one of the kennel blocks. Hopefully you should have that one finished today. And then we're going to walk down here. The size of the new fence. The size of that fence, huge. Not know how long it's taken us to get all the way down here. And the ground's been so soft as well the last couple of weeks. Everything's been getting stuck. It's one of the main reasons why I bought the quad, so I could help pull the truck out, or pull the trailer around as well, because it just weren't happening, man. It was slowing us down. Spending about 2 hours every day trying to free the truck from the mud, using so much hardcore and stuff. So hopefully after today. So anyway, yeah, back to the plans. So this is good. Where does the other foundations is going to go? See that post just there? There's one there, and then there's two. They're miles away. It is literally the whole length of this bottom of the garden. And trust me, you'd wait till you see these new kennels that are being built. These ones are being built. We're still waiting. Hopefully they're going to be ready by the end of January, he said. And they come out and supply and fit them as well. So, but yeah, so that's the last post. It is 30 meters long by 10 meters deep. It's going to be another 10 kennel block with a feed room, 2 isolation rooms, obviously say if we get any other problems, because obviously you all know about all the issues we've been having for the last couple of weeks. So we're going to have 2 isolation rooms in there, completely separate from all the dogs. So if anyone gets poorly or anything like that, we've got somewhere to tend to the dogs. And you know, stay tuned to the channel, yeah, make sure you subscribe, because we've got so much to show everybody, and so much information to hopefully help you all with your dogs or your own plans as well. I know a load of you that follow my Snapchat, you've all got some dogs and you all definitely want to get into the breeding, so I'm happy to help anyone. So make sure you guys definitely subscribe, because the videos that are going to be coming, they're going to be good and they'll help you. But look at the size of that. God damn, that's a big old digger, isn't it? So glad the neighbour let us take down the fence and come through over there. Otherwise, we'd have had a little small digger in the garden. It would have been a lot harder and a lot longer. Do you want a cup of tea or anything? How many sugars? 1 sugar, milk. Look at that. All right, Mel. Just wondering if it's possible to order 2 teas and 1 coffee.
Tommy.
Love you. Alright, Nia. Don't jump. Careful. Careful. Mel! Push her off, there'll be trouble. See what I mean? Honestly, I've no idea how long I've been waiting for this to happen. The big digger is here. Stuff is finally starting to happen. Even Mel's shaking. He's that excited for it, ain't you, Mel? Don't swear, you're not allowed to swear. It's on YouTube. You gotta watch your language. No swearing and no doing illegal substances. Okay? Mark. Down, 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 down. Perfect. Look at them all having a coffee break. We've got time for coffee. We've got work to be done. I'm going to back up to it. Still a bit cold, the quad. It'll probably turn off. Needs to warm up. You ready? Watch out, let go. Put the other strap on. See this kid? You see this kid? See what I'm working with? You done it? See what I mean? Brains of Britain over here. That's better. Where do you want it? Over there? I'm just going around the garden with it. Practicing my towing skills. Hang on one sec, I'll drop this one off. Is that good enough? What, you say there's another one? Say there's another one?
Yeah.
Well, that other one next to it?
Yeah.
Huh? Pabs, you can't come out yet. We're doing building work. Get down before you fall down. Come down here, see me down here. Careful! Oh, Misty! Come on! I know you guys can't wait, can ya? Got all the gear, no idea. That was a joke, by the way. I'm a very intelligent guy. Just so you know. It's Alan, he's got all the gear and no idea. Yeah. That was, I think it was around, there was a hole here, look.
I need to do a big fucking tape measure, but we can roughly do it. Right, so this is not what I'm after.
Alan's got a dodgy cough, I'm going to keep 2 meters away. I think he's got corona. Go from this one to that one, yeah? See how...
What I'll do is I'll put my tape measure on it.
Yeah.
I can tell already by looking at that.
That's fucking out of line.
Yeah, you're off.
I think you done that after you had a few beers, Alan.
Just looking.
Definitely did. Coming on nice. Give you a little update. That one's almost finished. The first foundation. I don't even like. I'm trying to act like I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. Like, building is not my forte, to be honest. But anyway, the progress we're making is good. We're just about to come down here and put some extra markers for the foundations for the kennels at the bottom of the garden, because I'm pretty sure he's about to track down here and start digging this one out as well. So we'll put a few down there. A few down there. Got to mark this out a bit more, so extend it out so he knows where this one's his need. Done that one up there. It's going to just do the holes for the drainage, for the soakaways. Don't do it yet though, Matt. Let Alan come down here. He knows what he's got to do. Got to go over the middle bit, okay? Taking a little break. Taking a little break from doing some work. Me and Gucci are going to do some Frenchy Olympics. Ready? See her just stretching her leg out. See her? Ready? Go, go, quick. Come on. And again, keep going. Keep going. And back again, quick. That's it, keep going. Gucci, you cheater. You're fatty, ain't ya? Is that fun? You like that? You're a good girl, ain't ya? Get your little bum waggle. He's a good girl. Look at the fence, man. Nearly at the end. Ooh! Like you cut G. Like you cut G. Hard as nails you are, ain't ya? Hard as nails. What, cheeky? You like that, don't ya? Bit of exercise. Get rid of them fat boys you got. Ooh, joking, I'm joking. I'm only joking. Her nickname's Slim Jim, really. Slim Jim! So right now, he's digging some holes for the soakaway drainage. And I didn't realise that the amount of mud that was going to come out of these holes. So I'm just thinking maybe we can make some sort of jump for the quads. Well, we might as well make it a bit exciting, ain't we? I'll be Jesus, he's cracked some drain there. Not even sure what that is. Making loads of progress though. To be honest, don't care what that is. I can fix it. I'm just happy that stuff's getting done. I've got floodlights. You've got the extension lead, haven't you? For the soakaways. It's going to be like a drainage gully coming down these sides. One here going into that soakaway, and then there's one. Obviously there'll be like an outside area there for the kennels, then there's an inside area where dogs sleep, and then we've got like a big corridor just there, and then obviously another inside area where dogs sleep, so like inside pens, and then it comes into outside runs, another drainage going into there. Bam! Bob's your uncle and Thingy's your aunt. Bit wobbly, Mark, can ya? Hey! Hey! Standing on top of the massive mound from the drainage holes. Didn't actually realise how big it is up here. Must be a good 8 foot up in the air, won't we?
Definitely.
Yeah, at least. Look at China. Can't really see her in the corner. Yeah, she does look like a statue. That's good, man. The digger driver's done for the day. He's going to come back tomorrow and do that one. He only lives around the corner, so it's not all bad. But to be honest, I didn't think he was going to get that much done. Do a big jump. Make sure you stay tuned. Look, did you see that? Man got hair.
It only does a minute. It only does a minute and 1 second.
Don't you dumb, it just turns off, look. Yeah, it's still recording when the red light's flashing, Mark. Look, you just press the screen, it's still on. Still recording. Whew. Man got some air then. I think I broke my shin a little bit on the first jump. Weren't anticipating the actual air I was gonna get. Yeah, this is a farm quad, not made for jumps, so it didn't do too bad. But anyway, that's probably going to be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've liked and subscribed and shared and all that stuff. I don't really know what to say at the end of the videos, but we'll be back again tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe.